Today's video will be a little bit different because I will be making a pom-pom from yarn by using this tool. This tool is the one used for loom bands. So I have my yarn, so what I'll need to do first is just cut a small yarn like this. So take your small tool, just keep on wrapping this yarn on this. So what we need to do is wrap this yarn like this. We have to do it, I think, more than 50 times till this becomes very fat. So what I'll do, I'll just keep on rolling this one or wrapping this yarn on this. So I'm on the midway of wrapping this. What I'm doing is I'll insert this short yarn that I have cut earlier. So I'll just insert it in the middle here. Sorry. So I'll just keep it here on this left side because this will be used on the last moment. What other people do is they use a fork, you know, if they don't have this tool. You know, you can even create your own. You can just create from cardboard, you know, similar to this shape, and you can do your own pom-pom. There are so many ways that you can make your own pom-pom. So for now, I think this is enough. So what I'll do is cut my yarn now. Okay, so this is how it looks, and now this will be useful, this part. So what you'll do is you'll have to kind of tie it like this here, so make sure it's on the middle. Okay, so I'll just tie this one. I have to tie this very tightly. Just a second. I'm not sure, guys, if you're able to see this properly. So it's how it is. Just do like this. Okay, I'm not tying it very tightly right now because I'll have to remove this from the tool, I mean the yarn from the tool. So just slowly pull this part. That's why other people prefer using the fork. It's easy to pull during this part. So now it's taken out from the tool. Make sure you tie this very tightly like this. So don't worry if it looks a little bad. Okay. Let's just tie this once more. Now the last part that needs cutting is this one. Okay, just find the middle part like this. Just cut it straight. So it looks like this, but you'll have to make a shape of round shape. This one, just make sure you cut those part which you're not able to cut, like see this portion, just cut it. So as you can see, this is still looking horrible. So just make it, what I do is I always cut it first straight like this, just to make it even. Then do the other side. Okay. Well, I actually left this part so I can hang it, you know, anywhere in case I want to hang it somewhere. Or you can always cut it if you don't want to hang it. Now cut it a little bit, you know, slanting here, what do you call it? The key here is to keep on trimming the yarn to create a round shape. So let's create a round shape. I'm just pressing this like this so I can make a round shape like this. So you can see the excess yarn. Just keep on trimming till you reach the desired shape. If you're not happy, you can always trim it, or you can just create a new pom-pom. This video might be a bit boring for you guys, but trust me, it's really relaxing doing this kind of craft. I really love DIY activities like this one. Or maybe I should post another video related to craft like this. So let's check how it is. So it's looking, I don't know, a bit better now. Let's just create a round. So I think I need to trim this a little bit more. It looks like a pom-pom now, but I can still see uneven parts. Oh, I think I need to trim. So I think I have already done it. It needs a little bit more work, this, but it looks like a real pom-pom now. My place is a little bit messy, but this is how it is. I think I did it. It's done and it looks good. Now this size is around 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. So I'll show you the other ones that I've done. This one and this one, green one, red and orange. I think this will look good, you know, when it's good as a background. It's really good for DIY or anything. They are very cute. You can easily do it, guys.